Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this under-desk elliptical machine that I think it is fantastic. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds and explain that to you why I think it is a really good solution for working out at home while you're working or just having some exercise while you're watching TV. Why not if you want? But by the way, one thing. This is not for you to stand up and actually do this exercise. This is strictly for under the desk. This is something that you will have to kind of like do on your own and just like make sure that you are in a way that you can do this while you're working again or just in a sitting position. This is not for you to stand up. And this is not the right chair because the wheels are so good that it's just like taking me out. So I'm going to change the chair. Okay, much better now because the chair that I have has like a really nice smooth wheel. So this one was actually pushing me away. So it comes with a remote controller so you can actually do everything with the remote controller. And also the instruction manual, just give it a read. This is super easy to use so you don't have to read that one too much. I'm not using the power mode right now. I'm using the actual manual mode. So I'm just like pedaling and not doing too much about it. And I'm getting fairly tired already. So I have to say that this one gives you a really nice resistance. But let's take a closer look. So the first thing that I want to say about this one is you can have everything right here in the remote control. As I was just telling you before, you can change the direction, you can change the mode. So I'm going to hit start right now and you can see that start by itself. I am not doing anything. I'm not pedaling on my own. This is starting by, you can see this one right here. So it starts by itself, and then you put up your feet back again, and you can do it barefoot actually if you want. And then you can see that this one is making the counter go up, and then you can change the speed and see that you can actually pedal a little bit faster. And this is a really good exercise for moving while you're sitting. Let's say that you're working, let's say that you're watching TV, let's say that for the elderly people or something like that, this could be a really good exercise. The thing about this one is it is extremely quiet. It is really quiet. That actually got me a little bit surprised. And then you can change the direction to the other side and goes back. So that's everything with the remote controller, and you have the different modes. You have the touch panel over here, so you can actually do it without the remote controller in case that you kind of like lose the remote controller or something like that. Oh, and actually I'm gonna stop it right now. So that's it. It stops. So that's everything. That's the science behind this product. It is a really good way. Manual mode, if you want, just make sure that it's on a low or high resistance mode. Like this one, for example, it has the power number 4. So that's why it's moving right now, because I really need to pedal super strong in order to move the kind of like the wheels inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right now, and it goes in 1 again. So it has plenty of speeds, plenty of modes, the change of direction, the remote controller. The only thing I will wish about this one is for the cable to be a little bit longer, but otherwise this is a great way of making and actually doing exercise while you're working, sitting, for the elderly people, or just like watching TV and you're bored. This is a really good one. It's gonna get you tired, and it's gonna give you a really nice cardio as well. I like it. I do recommend this device. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.